everyone. I must welcome you all to the webinar series, Future You, Set Your Career Compass Right with Experts Insight. And I'm Kalyani, your host for this webinar. So, join the next session on the topic, How to Build a Career in E-commerce Business Development on 23rd September at 11 a.m. with our speaker, Himanshu Jobanputra. He's a program manager at Amazon Global Selling and an alumnus of FMS Delhi. Also, this session will have a 15-minute special section wherein Himanshu will answer queries on CAT prep. So, register now and join us this Saturday at 11 a.m.